Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a stop on Lyft. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the Lyft application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to click on this search bar and you will see your current location in this field, or you can enter another pickup that you want. Now, in the destination, you'll have to type in the place you want to go. Now, in order to add a stop between these two places, you'll have to just click on this small plus icon just right here. When you click on this plus icon, it is going to show you add a stop field. So, wait time fees apply at per minute rate if you add a stop. Try to keep stops under 5 minutes and your driver can end the ride if your stop exceeds 5 minutes. Riders with valid waivers for disabilities are exempt from wait time fee. Rate may vary by ride type. You can see the price details in the dashboard. Now, click on add stop and search for the stop that you want to add. Now, select the stop and as you can see, I just added a stop between these 2 points. You can select any one of these rides, click on confirm and request and choose the payment method. Then you'll be successfully able to take your ride through Lyft. So that's the way to add a stop on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.